I'm Simon Bowe. I'm Managing Director of Bramble Bio. We're a contract development and manufacturing organization in cell and gene therapy. We're European based. We have two facilities. One is in Warsaw in Poland and the other one is in Cantanhede in Portugal. We serve the market for a variety of different types of cell products such as NK cells, CAR T cells, stem cells and other types as well. Most of our clients are relatively early stage, so we develop or optimize their early stage process and get them into clinic as efficiently and effectively at a really good price as quickly as possible. We've recently had some press releases. We've partnered with a number of new clients. Last month, we had a press release with BioNCart, who are a German startup organization. We've recently partnered with a US company called Distrogen, who are looking to treat muscular dystrophy as an indication. And there's more news to come shortly on yet another company out of Lithuania called Kelly, who again have a really interesting indication for post-operative kidney failure that again we've got really great solution for patients with currently an unmet need. I'm here at meeting in the Mesa. This is the annual big meeting held by Alliance for Regenerative Medicine. So wonderful location, and it's been lovely to catch up with old colleagues, some of our current clients, but particularly to meet up with prospective new clients who've got some really innovative therapies, often to treat patient populations with significant unmet needs. So we're really hoping to get involved in some of these and accelerate them through to market.